Have you ever been asked to introduce yourself and you got stuck? You did not know what to say or what not to say apart from your name? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Hope Ozo and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are talking about how to leave a lasting impression when you introduce yourself. Use these 5 tips to achieve that. First, your name is very important. We all know that. Salutation and then your name. An example is, hello everyone, my name is Hope Ozo. The next thing is to talk about what you do. What do you do? Are you a teacher? Are you an educator? Are you a consultant? Are you a professional? Talk about that field and make sure that you own it. Give a smile as you do this and be confident about it. Remember, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Smiling is a key factor in giving a brilliant presentation. As you go on to introduce yourself, ensure you smile while doing that. So let's go again. Hello everyone, my name is Hope Ozo and I am a pronunciation and public speaking coach. Did you see that effect? The next thing is give a little background about your skills. How long have you been in that field? What's so special about your field? Make sure you're convincing about what you're selling. So you can quickly say that I'm a pronunciation and public speaking coach. Over the years, I've worked with about 2,000 people to improve their speaking ability and give them the confidence that they deserve in becoming a better version of themselves. This is what I love to do. I'll be glad to work you through your speech transformation journey. Finally, share something personal about you. It could be a hobby or something that people around you do not know except you tell them. You could simply say, I do not love to cook, but I cook anyway. So that's one interesting fact about me. Try this and come back to testify. You will definitely be giving a brilliant and a lasting impression when you introduce yourself this way. People will laugh and then you're able to achieve that goal that you desire. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell so that you'll get a notification whenever a video drops. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.